Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. It's time to talk about the two quick ways to remove the background from images on iPhone. iOS is packed with several useful features, including the ability to remove the background from an image. If you're not aware of this super handy feature, it's the right time to unlock it. First off, open the Photos app on your iPhone. After that, head over to the image with background you want to get rid of. Then long press on the image and then drag it a bit. Now a white line will start blinking around the image confirming that its background has been successfully removed. Next, you can tap on the share button in the menu and then share the image via messages, WhatsApp, email, or any other method. Moreover, you can also save it at the desired location. Next up, it's time to learn how to remove the background from an image in the Apple Files app on iPhone. To get it done, open the Apple Files app on your iPhone. Then navigate to the image in question. After that, long press on the image and then choose Quick Actions in the menu. Next up, you have to choose the Remove Background option in the menu, and voila, it will instantly remove the background from the image and save it at the same location. Now you can choose to save the image or give it a more preferred look by adding a cool background. And that's about it. So that's how the built-in background remover works on iPhone. Now that you have unlocked this super handy feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and happy at home. Bye bye.